This is going to start out depressing, but I promise it's going to get better. We have all heard a story about somebody who has spent every last dime for their loved one for skilled nursing care. You might have even experienced it firsthand. And that is because the average cost of skilled nursing homes in Pennsylvania are $10,000 per month. So without careful planning, you can see that this can bankrupt most people. And nobody wants to hear this, but an estimated 70% of people turning 65 now will require long-term care during their lifetime. And they'll receive that care on average for 3 years. A person with Alzheimer's disease typically receives nursing home care for 5 years or more. So if you're paying out of pocket, that's over $600,000. And the reason you hear about people spending all of their savings to pay for long-term nursing care is that medical insurance doesn't cover that type of care, nor does Medicare on a long-term basis. So unless you have long-term care insurance, and you want to make sure it's good, we can check that, Medicaid, which is referred to as medical assistance in Pennsylvania, is the entity that pays for skilled nursing care. But you only qualify for Medicaid if your countable resources are less than $2,400. And in some instances it's $8,000, but it's low, it's very low. So as a result, people were told they must spend down their assets by paying for nursing home care out of pocket until they've reduced their life savings to $2,400. Unfortunately, people don't seek legal advice, or they seek it too late, because there are planning techniques that allow you to keep a large portion of your assets and pass those assets on to your loved ones. So some examples of those techniques are asset protection trusts, family caregiver agreements, gifting, durable financial powers of attorney, Medicaid approved annuities, and exempt transfers. If you have kids, I'm guessing you'd like to pass on at least some of your life savings, your home, maybe your land, to your kids. And if you don't have kids, I'm guessing you would prefer to give your assets to your family and friends, your churches, charitable organizations that are important to you, rather than give everything to the nursing home or to the government. So some people will ask me, is this kind of planning legal? Of course it is legal. The government makes the rules governing Medicaid eligibility, and these rules allow for this type of planning. You just have to ask. So if you'd like to explore some pre-planning strategies, or if you have a loved one that's currently in a skilled nursing home and you have questions about that, give me a call. I'd be happy to help. And until next time, have a great day.